the purpose why the puppets click. You might know why the puppets click on the noisy side. It's because you see the noisy side. You're gonna see this little thing right there, right? That's why it clicks. That is telling you that it's supposed to be like that. So like so basically let's put that back. Look, you see that little bubble right there? That's what makes the noise. But look. Wait. Yeah, okay. Sorry, it's very hard doing this. But okay, look, you're gonna see that line, and it's not supposed to be like, because it's supposed to be like that, because it's pushing down, and that's why it clicks, because it's clicking right back into the correct place. And like a Lego, look, you can see if you click a Lego into it, and makes that noise because it's clicking right into it. So that's why the puppet makes noise. But that's what I think. If you think it's wrong, comment down below, like and subscribe, because that's what I think, and I don't know if you do agree or not.